All right, let's just jump right in. It feels like every single conversation these days, one way or another, ends up being about AI, especially when it comes to our jobs, right? The headlines are just all over the place, and they swing from these two wild extremes. Either it's going to be a future where robots do everything for us, or it's a future where our jobs are completely wiped out. So in this explainer, we're going to cut through all that noise and get to what's really happening. A whole new frontier of work that's being built by AI, not destroyed by it. And that brings us to the question, doesn't it? The one that's on everybody's mind. Is this tech a job killer or is it a job creator? It seems like a simple question, but trust me, the answer is so much more complicated. And honestly, it's way more interesting than a simple yes or no. And this is where it gets really fascinating. Because yeah, on one hand, AI is getting scary good at the repetitive stuff, the mind-numbing data entry, the same old analysis over and over. But look at the other side of the coin. A whole universe of new jobs is opening up. Roles that are all about guiding the AI, thinking about the ethics, and partnering with it. This isn't about replacement, you guys. This is about evolution. So let's talk about that evolution. It's giving birth to something totally new. We're not just talking about the folks who code the AI anymore. A completely different kind of professional is stepping into the spotlight. Someone who lives and works right at that crossroads of human smarts and machine intelligence. We're calling them the hybrid professional. Now, the key thing to get here is that this isn't necessarily the person building the AI from the ground up. No, think of a specialist, a lawyer, an artist, a strategist who is an expert in their field, and they use that deep knowledge to steer these incredibly powerful AI systems. It's a total fusion of skills. And this quote just hits the nail on the head. Their job isn't to build the AI, but to manage its output and impact. Exactly. Their real value isn't in writing the code, it's in steering the ship. They're the ones making sure the AI's work is actually useful, that it's positive, and that it lines up with what we're trying to achieve. They're basically the conductors of this new AI orchestra. Okay, so this all sounds cool in theory, right? But what does it actually look like in the real world? Let's dive into some of the specific job titles that are popping up on this new frontier. Jobs that seriously didn't even exist just a few years ago, but are now becoming absolutely critical. We're going to zero in on three fantastic examples of these born from AI roles. We've got the AI ethics officer, the AI prompt engineer, and the human AI interaction designer. Each one of these gives us a perfect window into this new world of work. First up, a role that really speaks to the huge responsibility that comes with all this power, the AI ethics officer. You can think of this person as the conscience of the algorithm. They're part philosopher, part detective, part watchdog. They're the one in the room asking the really hard questions, like, hey, is this AI model biased? Are we using this fairly? What bad things could happen if we're not careful? They are the essential human guardrail keeping these powerful systems on track. Okay, next up is a job title you have probably seen everywhere lately, the AI prompt engineer. This person is the ultimate translator between humans and machines. They are absolute masters of language, figuring out the exact right words, the perfect instructions or prompts to get the most creative and useful answers out of an AI. They're bridging that gap between what a human wants and what the machine actually understands. And that brings us to our third role, the human AI interaction designer. So if the prompt engineer is the translator, this person is the architect of the whole conversation. They design the tools, the interfaces, the workflows that let us actually work with an AI as a partner. Their entire mission is to make that partnership feel totally natural and seamless, so the tech actually makes us better instead of just getting in the way. So we've seen these new roles, and they're fascinating for sure, but that leads to a very real question. Why are companies paying so much money for these people? What makes these skills so valuable? Because that's what we're talking about. These are six-figure jobs. And make no mistake, this isn't some tiny niche field. This is a serious, high-demand career path. The market is basically screaming for people who can do this stuff. So what's the secret sauce? What's the one thing that connects the ethicist, the prompt engineer, and the designer? Hint, it's not about being a coding whiz. It's not even about pure data science. It's something much, much more human. It's this. It all boils down to one single, irreplaceable skill: high-level human judgment. That's our ability to understand context, to see the gray areas, to make a strategic or an ethical call when the data doesn't give you a clear answer. That is the one thing AI just can't replicate. And that is what companies are paying a premium for. And look, judgment isn't just some vague idea. It's a whole toolkit of our most advanced skills. You've got ethical reasoning, that's your ethics officer. You've got creative problem solving, that's your interaction designer. Nuanced communication, hello prompt engineer. And then there's strategic oversight, the ability to see the whole playing field. This is the human-powered toolkit for the age of AI. So, what does this all mean for you? For us, it means we need to completely reframe how we think about the future. This isn't a story about our jobs becoming obsolete. It's a story about our jobs being elevated. And the big takeaway is this. The whole humans versus machines narrative is a dead end. It's just not the right story. The real story, the one that's actually playing out right now, is about human-AI collaboration. It's about taking our irreplaceable judgment and amplifying it with the insane processing power of AI. And that leaves us with one final thought. As machines get better and better at handling the how to process the data, how to write the code, how to optimize the system, it makes our job more important than ever. Our job is to own the why. Why are we doing this? Why does it matter? Why is this the right path to take? That is the essential human question, and answering it is our most valuable role on this new algorithmic frontier.